So why would you want to learn palmistry? That's a good question. Now listen, isn't it funny how our modern science today might call palmistry and astrology for fringe sciences and pseudosciences and whatnot, myths and whatever it is they choose to call it. And yet the modern science today, is only just a couple hundred years old. That's when the world took a leap in the material world of science and proof and so forth. But the ancient sciences, they're thousands of years old. And the ancient people, they knew much more than we can give them credit for here today, because we're just following all data-based sciences with physical proof. But these ancient sciences, they're more on the intuitive level. And it's sad to see today how so many people are losing their path because they're just going digital. They're just, which I love science and have ever since I was young. So, but a balance between the modern sciences, but the ancient sciences, we can't let them go, because it keeps us alive to knowing who we are, where we came from, where we're heading, not just individually, but as a group, as cultures as well. And palmistry is not by chance, it's by divinity. This is why I call palmistry one's God's map. The God's map where we never get lost, and if we do, all we need to do is to look into our hand to remind us of where we're coming from, where we're at now, where we're heading, and how we can come to change some course in our life. So palmistry is something that we should actually teach our children. Let them know who they are so they can pay attention to it, so they can bring it further on into the future generations. Palmistry is definitely a science, not a pseudoscience.